مرحبا بكم متابعي قناة Talkie English في هذا الفيديو الجديد.
I've been doing this teaching thing since time immemorial, so you can count on me. Time immemorial. وش معناتها time immemorial? What does it mean? Do you have any idea? ها؟ هي سؤال هذا الإكسبرشن يعني تقدر تحل بالهبل. شوف كي تقول باللي حاجة كان صار since time immemorial معناتها كان صار يعني في لوقت طويل جدا وما زال صار. When you say that something's been happening for time immemorial or since time immemorial, it basically means that it's been going on for centuries. For example, this revolution's been happening since time immemorial. عاودوا شو مرايا؟ Time immemorial. عاودوا شو؟ عاود. Good. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribing to the channel, hitting that like button, and sharing the video.